There's a new cleaning tool that's designed to get dust out of every nook and cranny. This incredible vacuum attachment is unlike any cleaning tool you've ever owned. Introducing the Dust Daddy. The Dust Daddy can get into even the tiniest cracks and crevices. With the Dust Daddy, you can even dust around tiny objects without removing them first. The secret is dozens of individual tiny suction tubes. These tiny tubes are flexible and they can go nearly anywhere the dust hides. The Dust Daddy also comes with a universal adapter, so it can be connected to any vacuum. Watch, an ordinary cleaning tool is limited by its size and shape. Look how much more effective the Dust Daddy is. And if you like having a clean car, you know how many cracks and crevices collect dust. Now you can easily remove all that dust with your Dust Daddy. You can even get the dust out of the cracks and crevices of your seats, and cleaning your coin tray without having to remove everything is no problem. You would never clean your silk plants with an ordinary vacuum tool, but now you can easily clean them with your Dust Daddy. In the past, you'd have to remove all these small items before vacuuming. Now you can leave them and still get all the dust. There are dozens of areas around your home that collect dust. Your light fixtures, your window blinds, your couches, your jewelry boxes, and so much more. That's why you need a Dust Daddy.